ka-French Chef. At today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pineapple fried rice with shrimp. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Okay, here are the ingredients. We have here 10 pieces shrimp, 2 pieces carrots, and 10 pieces baguio beans, 2 cups cooked rice, 2 pieces eggs, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, 2 pieces bell pepper. We have here a spring onion, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon fried garlic, 2 pieces calamansi, 1 tablespoon butter. We will be using Knorr liquid seasoning. We have here sesame oil. We have here patis or fish sauce. 28 grams toasted cashew nuts. And of course, we have fresh pineapple. And also we will be using salt and pepper later. Okay, so ka-French Chef, let's do the rock and roll. What we're going to do first is gagawa tayo ng pineapple bowl. Hiwain natin ang ating pineapple into half. Okay, reserve natin to dahil ito ang ating kailangan. Okay, so what we're going to do next is tanggalin natin yung meat ng pineapple. Okay, para ma-remove natin to, gagamit tayo ng kutsara. Ayan, matigas siya, matigas. Hindi ko kaya. I-remove natin yung meat, tapos tanggalin natin ang core dito sa gitna. Tapos gawin natin siyang pineapple chunks. Ayan ka-French Chef, meron na tayong pineapple bowl. So set aside na lang muna natin siya at ito yung nakuha nating meat. So chinunks ko na siya dahil kailangan natin ito later sa ating fried rice. Okay? So, mag-start na tayo ng pagluluto, ka-French Chef. What we're going to do next, ka-French Chef, sa ating preheated wok, ilalagay natin yung ating butter. Sunod natin yung garlic. And then yung ating onion. Sunod na rin natin yung ating carrots at saka baguio beans. Okay, gigisa lang muna natin siya ng konti ka-French chef. Huwag natin i-overcook yung ating vegetable. So, bali half cook lang siya ka-French chef para meron pa siyang crunch pag kinain natin. Chef, luto na yung ating carrots at saka baguio beans. So, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating shrimp. Dagdag tayo ng konting salt and pepper. Halo-halo na siya ka-French chef. Kaya ano lang muna natin siya dyan hanggang maluto yung ating shrimp. Ayan ka-French chef, luto na yung ating shrimp. So what we're going to do next is ilalagay natin siya sa kabilang side ng ating wok. Dagdag tayo ng konting cooking oil. Then, ilagay natin ang ating beaten eggs. Ayan, so hayaan natin siyang maluto dyan ka-French chef. I-mix na natin yung ating eggs sa ating vegetables saka sa shrimp. So, at this point, pwede na natin ilagdag yung ating cooked rice. So, ayan, halo-halo yung ating siya. Haluin lang natin mabuti. Sa point ka-French chef, pwede na tayong magdagdag ng ating knorr liquid seasoning. About a tablespoon lang ka-French chef. Then after that, konting patis or fish sauce. So, ayan. And then, magdagdag tayo ng konting sesame oil. Haluin natin mabuti. Dagdag natin yung ating pineapple chunks. Ito French chef, dagdag na natin yung ating curry powder. Konti. portion ng ating onion string. Nakadagdag na rin natin yung ating bell pepper. And also half a portion of our fried garlic. This point ka friend chef, pwede na rin natin ilagdag yung ating cashew nuts. Ayan. And the last but not the least ay mag-squeeze tayo ng isang pirasong calamansi to enhance the flavor of our pineapple fried rice. Okay, so ka-friend chef, ayan na po ang ating pineapple fried rice with shrimp. Ready for serving na siya. Ka-friend chef, ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating pineapple fried rice with shrimp. Okay, so dagdagan natin siya ng fried garlic sa itaas. Ayan. And then dagdagan na rin natin ng spring onion. Ayan, pampadagdag kulay. Oops. Saka maglalagay tayo dito ng calamansi dahil mas masarap to pag pinag-squeezan mo siya ng calamansi sa itaas. Ayan. So, ayan na ka-friend chef, ang ating pineapple fried rice with shrimp. Okay ka-friend chef, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang video ito. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Okay, so once again, this is Mira at your service. Always remember that behind the dark clouds, there is always silver lining. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.